Red and green grape molasses are an excellent way to add great depth of flavor to your next cocktail drink or dessert. To make green grape molasses, blend green table grapes into juice, then strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve into a heavy bottom sauce pot, and turn the heat on to low and gently reduce the juice. The foamy top layer is skimmed off as it forms, and as the water in the grape juice evaporates, the mixture will become syrupy after a slow reduction of about 30 minutes, and molasses-like about 15 minutes after that. The same process is used to make red grape molasses. Do not be in a hurry, and stir intermittently with a high-heat spatula to avoid burning the syrups. Then transfer to storage containers and allow to cool. 500 milliliters of red grape juice was reduced to about 150 milliliters of red grape molasses, and 600 milliliters of green grape juice was reduced to about 200 milliliters of green grape molasses. Stored in the refrigerator, the molasses will thicken as they cool and will keep for about a month.